We really are the leaders in the world at innovation for hip and knee replacement. We're one of the largest academic research centers for hip and knee replacement, and we've been one of the pioneers in this surgery since it began with Dr. Rothman. We will take on any problem that walks into our office. We'll take on some of the most complex issues. We have patients from all over the world that come to see us, and it's really a pleasure. We're involved in training some of the best fellows in the country, training some of the best residents in the country. We are involved in every major academic organization. We were recently in D.C. with the hip and knee replacement team, meeting with senators and congressmen on access to patient care. So we're very involved in the political scene and getting the best care for our patients. And we have a great team of research fellows here that we bring every year, and we're doing research from diagnosing infections, preventing infection in hip and knee replacement, improving the latest technology and the type of implants that we're using for hip and knee replacement, and optimizing patient outcomes in hip and knee replacement to really work on getting patients the best hip and knee care they can get. We have an extremely efficient practice. We have set operating days, we have set clinical days. We're focused here on what's going on in front of us right now and to give you 100% of our attention and to listen to your problems and needs.